CK Challenge Question 38. This question have the weightage of 5%. Create a deployment with the below information mentioned in the table using the provider file deployment.yaml at location/root. There are some typo in the file that need to be fixed accordingly and create the deployment successfully in default namespace. All the information is listed below in the table format. Deployment name Nginx deployment, image Nginx latest tag, container port 80, replicas 3. This question is asking you to create a Kubernetes deployment name Nginx deployment using a YAML manifest file located at /root/deployment.yaml. The manifest file contains information about the deployment configurations, but there are some typo that need to be fixed in order for the deployment to be created successfully in the default namespace. To complete this task, you will need to open the provided YAML file and identify any error or typo in the configuration. Specifically, you need to ensure that the Nginx image is specified correctly with the latest tag, the container port is set to 80 and the number of replicas is set to 3. The deployment.yaml file likely include a spec section that defines the desired state of the deployment. These sections may include details about the number of replicas, the container image and command and other configuration options. After you have corrected any typo in the deployment.yaml file and ensure that it matches the requirement listed in the question, you can use kubectl apply command to create the deployment in the default namespace. Once the deployment is created, you can use the kubectl get command to verify the deployment in the running as expected with 3 replicas of Nginx container. This deployment can be useful for deploying and scaling Nginx application in the Kubernetes cluster. Additionally, configuration options can be added to the deployment YAML file to further customize the deployment, such as adding the environment variable, specifying the resource request and limit, and configuration liveness and readiness probes. Take on the challenge of solving these questions on your own first, but if you encounter any difficulty in solving it, refer the next video for solutions. Good luck. Okay, so we are using the EKS cluster for a demonstration, and this is the EKS client. We have the 2 nodes which have the instance type of M5 large, okay, and the client is running on the T2 micro. Okay, just want to access the Kubernetes cluster. Okay, so pwd, we are currently in the root directory ls. We have the deployment.yaml file as mentioned in the question. So we have to first look into it. Let me cat it. So here you can find the specifications file that we are going to use. The API version is apps/v1. So I find some typo here as well. Okay, the kind and the deployment. Here also some informations related with the typo. Okay, so let me try to deploy it. You will find it some problem here. kubectl apply -f and then the deployment file. So it's creating the problem, but the details are not provided that what is the problem in the file. But at a first instance, we identified some problem, and the selector name also I see some problem here. Match level is fine, but apps and app both have some problem here. Okay, it should be same. Whatever the label you are using, you have to match it, because it will go into the same replica sets. Okay, whatever the replica we are creating, the replica's name is fine. Cat the file again. Before doing any changes, I'm just want to monitor it, and we have the imperative command to just generate the deployment file. So I'm going to use it. So kubectl create the deployment, and then we will verify it. What is the name of the of the deployment, it's Nginx. Okay, and the image that we are going to use is Nginx, and the tag is the latest one. Okay, then the replica is of 3. The port will be, as per the question, we have to use 80, which is also a default for the Nginx. Dry run is equal to client and output of YAML. So it will provide me the description of the specification of the deployment. So we can match it very easily. So here the API version looks good. Okay, the apps, the A should be a small and the V should be a small here. The kind have also problem, it should be a small, and the deployment it should have the capital, the first letter should be capital. The metadata is fine, the name Nginx deployment is fine, the specification is fine, the selector replicas spelling is fine, and it is on the same label. Selector, it should be O here, not E. This we have to change it. And the apps, as I already mentioned, it should be same at both the place. So we are going to use both the things as same. And the specifications, the container spelling is also correct. And at the same level, name is Nginx, the image is Nginx latest. All are fine. Ports, and the ports, the container port, here it is, P should be capital. Okay, so we identified here the 5 problems and we are going to fix it. Okay, so vi deployment.yaml file, I will go into the insert mode, and here I am going to change the first the spelling mistake. It should be V should be small and the A should be small as well. Okay, for the deployment D it should be capital and the kind should be small. After that, metadata we don't see any problem. Selector, definitely here we have to use O here. Selector, match level is fine. We are going to remove the apps. We are going to use the same app Nginx at both the places. Replicas is fine. Template, don't see any problem here. Container spelling is also fine. Containers, name Nginx, image latest, ports, and here the spelling of port, it should be capital P. All things looks good. Going to save it. So this is the simplest way in case you want to check the typo. You just compare it by generating the deployment specification file by using the imperative command. Okay, so let me catch it again. Deployment.yaml, apps, spelling is correct, kind small, D capital, selector spelling already changed, the match labels both are same, replicas 3, template okay, specification containers have the name Nginx and the image we are using correctly, ports, container port 80. Okay, it looks good. Now I'm going to apply it. kubectl apply using the file deployment. Okay, so it's created successfully. Let's verify it. kubectl get deployment. Okay, we have the one deployment and it's ready 3 by 3. Let's check it, the replica set as well. kubectl get rs. Okay, the desired is and desired, current and ready, all are 3. Okay, kubectl get pod. Okay, so all the pods are running, so you can see that our deployment is running fine. So in this way we can remove all the typo error by comparing. So this is trick, you can say, for the just referring the what is the typo in the file.